Helping me with this video, I have a special guest, my son Xander. He just turned 18. We're fiercely private, but he turned 18, so we're gonna let him help me out in this video.
Do you have any words?
I could not be more proud of him as he heads off to college. He's a great kid, he's a great student, he's a really good athlete. He'll be playing a sport at his next college, and he is the X in AXG Sleep Diagnostics. So please welcome my son, Xander. This is not Xander, this is my cat, Stewie.
Hello.
Top 10 excuses people use to not wear CPAP. It's just not sexy. Sleep while using a CPAP. Sleep while not using a CPAP. Too much stuff to do to get ready for bed. Using a Fisher & Paykel Micronova. Done. Using an N30i. Done. Using a Fisher & Paykel Solo. Using an AirTouch N20. Oh, excuse me, Jocelyn, you're kind of cherry picking the Isa wants to put on. Using the much more difficult Fisher & Paykel full face mask by Terra. It's just too uncomfortable. Now, if it's just masks you're talking about, we have a standard full face mask. We have a hybrid full face mask. We have nasal masks that have memory foam. We have nasal pillows. We have another nasal pillows. All different varieties, all different shapes. If you have a pressure point you don't like, there's probably a mask for you that avoids it. The mask that avoids everything is the bleep. It literally just sticks onto your nose with stickers. Nothing touches you. 7 years ago.
I might do that. Plus, I think the shake.
The bleep workout. With one hand on top of the other and elbows in, we're going to shake the bleep out of it for 60 seconds. This will build size, definition of your sleep muscle.
It's the claustrophobia that gets me.
What's worse, that or this? Which one?
The cleaning routine for my CPAP equipment is just too rigorous.
Scrub-a-dub-dub.
What you don't need to do. Small mask. Much larger mask. Dry it quickly using the Hurricane dryer. You don't want to leave your equipment out to just air dry and get moldy and that mildew smell. Get the Hurricane dryer at cpapsupplies.com. Hey Xander, happy birthday.
Hey, thanks, man.
If you're about to be a poor college student, if you're looking for CPAP supplies that are very inexpensive, where would you shop?
Cheap CPAP supplies.
cpapsupplies.com.
Oh yeah, go to that place.
Yeah, what if you wanted, is there a discount code you can use?
I don't know, I feel like you're gonna tell me.
Lefty Summer. You'd use Lefty Summer.
Lefty Summer.
And if I'm wrong, it's Lanky Summer. But I'll look it up.
One of the two.
Yeah, one of the two for sure. Now, what kind of items could you get there?
I feel like you're gonna tell me again.
What about the Hurricane dryer? It dries your CPAP mask and hose and stuff. Is that good?
Oh, hurricanes are kind of wet. I don't know. Might not be good.
No, Hurricane dryer. It like blows hot air.
Okay, I guess it's good.
Yeah, it's good. And then any mask or accessory you can get 20% off if you use that discount code. What was it again?
There were two.
It was Lefty Summer.
Lefty Summer, yeah. Or Lanky Summer.
All right, what else is there? Oh, there's a money back guarantee or mask fit guarantee.
That's pretty good.
But if you have any, like your roommates, or anyone you know is on CPAP, you can go and like refer them to cpapsupplies.com.
It's not like I'll be on CPAP. Freaking loud. Make me mad.
Oh, are you kidding after what we just recorded?
Oh yeah, that leaf was pretty loud.
All right, happy birthday, Zenner.
Hey, thanks.
I don't use CPAP because it's just too noisy.
What? But I'm recording a video.
Oh, wait, that's my bad.
I don't use CPAP because I get aerophagia and a dry mouth. Aerophagia, or air getting into your stomach, can be caused by a couple of things. One is severe mouth leak. You can resolve that by using tape. Now, it can also be caused by air being delivered too fast. You can slow that down by using a device called the VCOM. Ah, but you say you're using a full face mask. Those don't apply. Well, people with a full face mask can still get jaw drop, where the jaw falls back, air purges out of the bottom, causes severe aerophagia. If that's the case, you can use a soft cervical collar or a chin strap to keep your chin up. I don't use CPAP because I always pull it off in the middle of the night. Unintentional removal of the CPAP mask. I find that this is caused by one of two things: a mask leak or jaw drop leak, which can be resolved again with mouth tape or with a soft cervical collar when using a full face mask, or you're just on the wrong pressure or mode of therapy. If you're under pressure, you're still gonna be gasping for air, you're still gonna be waking up, and eventually that mask is gonna come off. I don't use CPAP because I get skin irritation and pressure marks. If this is the case, you can use all kinds of masks that have very, very minimal pressure points, such as the Micro Nova like this, the Fisher & Paykel Solo, or the Bleep sleep masks known as the Eclipse. If you have to use something more like a full face mask Vitera, you can use things like these mask liners called Easy Form Pro. It turns the cushion of your mask into a very soft, velvety, buttery feel. These can be found at cpapsupplies.com. The VCOM can be found at cpapsupplies.com. I don't use my CPAP because I find it very difficult to travel with. You can either not travel with it or realize it takes up about as much space as one shoe. Let me know if I missed a reason to not use CPAP and I'll address it below. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to have a one-on-one PAP therapy analysis with me, check out my website, axgsleepdiagnostics.com. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, I would love it if you would do so. Other than that, I appreciate you watching. Bye.
And time for an extra thick thanks, buddy, to my top level supporters: Doug Toombs, Jason Georgiades, Patricia Espelong, Stuart Hetherington, Alan Liu, Edward Steiner, and I'd like to say thank you also to these people, as well as those other people. Up the ante, you get a shout out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Barely even on screen, but still appreciate the support.
No. Can you squat into a little ball?
No.
Squat in like fetal position.
I'm too big. Oh my God.
Can you get your head in?